everybody. Hopefully you're all staying safe. And Zoom rolled out a couple of new security features. And many of you are worried about Zoom's security, which you should. But as I mentioned yesterday, is make sure whenever you are doing Zoom conferencing, make sure that channel is password protected. So that way there's less Zoom bombing, people just showing up for no reason. So make sure you have a password. Then these are a couple new features here that just got, not new, but it just made it more visible now. So whenever you go on Zoom these days, you will see a new button here called security. Once you click on this, you will see a couple of new ones. So by default, when you log in, it's like this. You can lock meeting, or you can enable waiting room. So let's talk about each of these. One is lock meeting, means nobody can join anymore. Okay, even if they know the password, they can no longer join. So if you know that, say you have a private meeting with a family, then if everybody is there already, just go ahead and lock it. Okay. And so once you, let me show you. Okay, so once you log, right? So for example, John and I were on a meeting. Once I click log, you'll show you logged the meeting. No one else can join. Okay, so that's kind of nice, right? Just more secured. Then the other one would be, right, enable waiting room. So you have enabled the waiting room. What this means is once somebody joins, they will not be able to hop on the meeting right away. They're put in a waiting room just like this. Now you know who is inside the waiting room. Like, oh, John, I know John, right? Then what you do is you hover a mouse over it and you hit admit. Then he can join. Okay, so a couple of things, right? Me personally, so 3 things I would do. Me personally, one, I would make sure the password is, there's a password set on these channels. Second is I will make sure that only, right, I put everybody in a waiting room, and if it's just a small gathering, I would approve them one by one. Right, if it's just a small gathering or small meeting. And once everybody is in, I would just go ahead and lock it, right? By clicking on lock, you lock the meeting. Okay, so yep, hopefully these new extra measures from Zoom, you no longer have to worry too much about Zoom security. Thank you.